Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join a game lobby on the LORT game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the LORT game on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you can start playing your own game from the play option, or if you wish to join somebody else's game, then you can click on the join button. This will then open up the lobby code menu, where you can simply enter the code of the game lobby. So type in the code within the lobby code section and then click on the join button. This will then scan for the game lobbies that are available, and if you have provided the correct lobby code, then you will join that lobby right away. You can then start playing within this lobby, and you may also join your friend's lobby by clicking on the friend list option from the join page. If you don't have any friends yet, you can add them from the Steam add menu and share the lobby code with others so that they can join your game as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join another player's lobby on the LORT game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.